Scotty, do you have John's shaft? Are you rubbing?
It's long, and it's hard.
Okay, easy. Turn it down. Turn it down.
I'm gonna grease it really good.
Okay. Anywho, what do you got there?
Okay, we have brand new Spicer U-joints.
Good shit.
Yes. For this, so
Man, I wish these showed up yesterday when he was here.
Oh, would have been.
Because he would have got.
I could have played with his shaft then too.
In person.
Damn, I know, right?
It's just not on video. Wait, what? We would have shot a video though, because you would have played. What? Wait, God, this is just getting bad. Anyway, all right. So first things, the locks are coming out. We've rebuilt a bunch of drive shafts on this channel. I should video Scotty calling Larry's later to yell at them about where the hell our motor mounts are.
We'll probably get banned.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Well, damn.
Yeah, those are feisty little bastards, eh? These are nice U-joints.
Yeah, they are.
Spicer, good stuff. Yeah, there. It's not. Didn't go far. Don't worry. It just went a little ring-a-ding-ding. Ring-a-ding-ding.
Where is my thing?
Well, it's not in your hand.
No, because if it was, it'd have white stuff on it. Bump.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Da!
Oh, and I know I sent to you in a text, John, but I did find a vendor for rear tires. Correct size white wall that's on the car. The ribbing on the side of the tire is the same, and
and it'll be ribbed for your pleasure.
Yes. He's terrible. This guy's.
Have you ever known me to be any other way?
No. We definitely have the most inappropriate automotive channel on the internet.
Oh, without a doubt. I don't think anybody will beat us. Without getting banned. That's the key word.
The ban hammer. Where you going? What are you doing?
Forget about it.
Forget about it, huh? Forget
Where's
about it.
Baby Boom Boom?
That's what you call
Baby
a guy.
Boom Boom!
I thought that's what you call it. The guy you like at AutoZone.
Oh no. He's 6'3" and a whole lot of bang bang.
See, Scotty's got a crush.
Come here and hold John's shaft.
Ooh.
Oh, bang it. I'm trying to do it respectfully without screwing things up.
You might have to do the socket on the C-clamp.
Yeah.
I think that's going to be the easier way.
Yeah, because
these are spicers that are in it, too.
Yep, so it's... In other words, there's going to be bang bang.
All right.
Like really, really bad bang bang.
Get the C-clamp. Get the C-clamp and some sockets to do it that way. It's easier.
Yeah, it's probably going to be the best.
All right, so we'll come back to you doing that in a minute.
Yep. And we'll keep you informed.
Yay.
Bye.